Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you tired of complicated diets and expensive supplements? What if I told you that the key to shedding those extra pounds is sitting right in your kitchen? Introducing the Lemon and Honey Weight Loss Elixir, a natural, affordable, and effective way to boost your metabolism and melt away fat. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that detoxify your body and kickstart your metabolism. Honey, on the other hand, provides natural sugars that give you energy without the crash. Combined, these ingredients create a powerhouse drink that not only aids in weight loss, but also improves digestion and boosts immunity. Here's how to make it. First, warm a glass of water, but make sure it's not boiling. Next, squeeze half a lemon into the water. Then add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Finally, stir well and enjoy. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach and watch the transformation begin. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands have tried this and seen incredible results. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition, lemon polyphenols suppressed body weight gain and body fat accumulation in mice by increasing peroxisomal beta oxidation through upregulation of the mRNA level of ACO in the liver and white adipose tissue. For optimal results, drink it first thing in the morning, maintain a balanced diet, incorporate regular exercise. Remember, consistency is key. Ready to embark on your weight loss journey? Start with this simple drink and take the first step towards a healthier you. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more health tips, and comment below with your weight loss goals. Note, while lemon and honey have health benefits, individual results may vary. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health regimen.